Okay, we're going to start this bass shack. It does not have to be perfect exactly the way that I'm doing it. You got to just try to get it close. The goal is to get the walls, a closet, a window, and some doors put in there. So we're going to start off with the ground, and we're going to work our rectangle up and just keep it really simple. And we're going to go 30 feet by 20 feet. So I'm going to type in 30 feet, comma 20 feet. I'm going to hit enter. And now I'm going to go to my push pull. I can go over here and hit push pull or hit P for push pull. And I'm going to come up 9 feet. 9 feet, enter. Okay, now we need to clear out. We have our box here. We're going to clear this out and get the thickness of our walls. As you guys remember, our walls are 6 inches. So I'm going to use the offset command. I can hit F for offset, or I can come over here and grab the offset command as well, which is right here. Either way, I'm going to grab this and I'm going to pull it in 6 inches. Once I've done that, I'm going to go back to the push pull, which is P, or slide over there, and I'm going to go down, and we're going to take this back all the way to the ground. Now, I'm going to click on this outside edge, and then I have nothing but grass in there, but we'll fill it in a little bit later. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try to work on our door, and we're going to use a lot of guides. So the first thing we're going to click over here, and we're going to go to our tape measure. I'm going to click on the side right over here, and I'm going to pull over, and we're going to have our door over 12 inches. Yours doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be over just a little bit. And then also, as you remember, we need to have our window and door height. And so our window and door height is going to be at 7'8". So I'm going to click right here and come up because we want to have this coming up right in the middle. And I'm going to type in 7'8" because of our grade line. 7'8". If you look over here in the lower right hand corner, you'll see that. I'll type it one more time. 7'8". Inches. I'm going to hit enter, and there's my spot for my door. The doors are already loaded for you, so we're going to use this as our front door right over here. So I'm zooming out just a little bit. I'm going to click on the move command. So this is move or M, and I'm going to grab this door at the top, and then I'm going to hit the control key for copy. And I'm going to slide it over, and we're going to place it right at that intersection. Okay, this is SketchUp now, so it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just trying to get an idea of what it's going to look like. But I still have a wall in the way there. So we need to get rid of that wall by drawing a rectangle and like punching a hole through. So I'm going to go back over here to the rectangle command. We're going to slide down, come to one corner of the frame, go to the other. I'm going to go back to my push pull over here on this side, click on the push pull, go through. I'm going to slide back here. We want to just go just to the other side of the wall. You see my graphics card's getting a little bit jacked up here though. I'm going to click on that other side of the wall, and now you can see my door punch through. A little bit harder to see when I'm so close, but you can see I pushed through that. Okay, we can safely put in a couple windows over here. The windows are going to go at that height, but we're going to have them be about 1 foot off of the edge, 2 foot off of the edge. So I'm going to do another ruler. I love the guides in this program. I'm going to come over. How far? 24 inches. And now this is the corner where I'm going to put my window. I'm going to go back over to where my windows are. This is called a dynamic window. There's lots of different windows we can use, but I want you guys to just use this one for right now. I'm going to click on the corner right there, hit Control to copy, and we want to go find that spot right there. And I'm actually going to do another move again. Move this object, copy again, Control key, and we're going to put it right next to it. Again, this isn't a Revit model, doesn't have to be perfect, but we're going to move that over to get it right where it needs to be. And again, you can see that I need to punch a hole through the wall because I don't see the window. So we need to do the rectangle command once again. I'm going to click in the corner, click in the opposite corner, go to my push-pull, P for push-pull, go through. I want to make sure I just get just to the outside edge. There's the outside edge. You can see I'm touching it right there, and it knocked that window through. Again, these computers, we're doing a software like this. It's a little bit harder to see, and the graphics card gets a little bit jacked up, but as you zoom out just a little bit, you're able to see that. So now we have a door, 2 windows, 4 walls, and I'm going to stop it at this point, and we're going to start another one. We're going to come back and lay out the inside walls using our guides.